What's up, traders? So I firmly believe that the AI trade still has a lot of room to run, but you may be wondering, what are the best AI stocks to trade right now? And so we'll look at that today, and we'll also utilize AI to help us find the best trades. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Rashad. I am a full-time options trader, and I bring in the bulk of my income via the stock market. But if you could do me a super huge favor and go ahead and smash that like button. And do remember that this is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any equities or options contracts. All trading comes with risk, and results may vary. Now, I will always start off my videos with a word from God that has to do with money, wealth building, or business. And today's word comes from Philippians 4:19, and it says, "And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of his glory in Christ Jesus." And the easy to read version states, God supplies needs. So if you have a need, God will supply it. All right, I hope that blesses somebody. And speaking of people who are receiving blessings, I have to shout out members of the Trader Freedom community. And so first off, we have Daniel here, who, although has only been in the community for a few months, he has turned 28,000 into currently 89,000. And this is as of 6 days ago. So he is doing tremendously well. So shouts out to you, Daniel. Then we had Carlos here, who did over $1,000 for the day. He's one of our 0DTE day traders. Then Pete says he is up over $23,000 already for the month of May. And this was as of May 12th. Then we have B. Curtis, who says, an unreal thought that a very nice day's salary can be made in 90 minutes. We can see he did a little over $1,100 in the span of 90 minutes. So congratulations to you, sir. And if you guys know anybody who is looking to join a cool community, tell them about the Trader Freedom community. The link is below in the description. They'll get access to my trades, the course, access to a full community of other people who are like-minded, and access to ask me questions at any given time. And so if that intrigues you, the link is below in the description. But if you don't need a community and just want to get a few of my trades, you can sign up for Bull Premium newsletter. It's a weekly newsletter that is released every single Friday morning, where you will see some trades that I will be entering into myself. All right, but with that, let's get down to business. Now, as I stated, I still believe that the AI trade is still in the early innings. But you may be saying, Rashad, with a ton of stocks at all-time highs, I'm not sure where to attack. And I would say I totally get what you're saying. This right here shows that NVDA just recently crossed over a point where it is actually worth more than the entire stock market of India. And on top of that NVIDIA stat, semiconductors as a whole now account for more than 15% of the total US market. Now, with that being said, semis are definitely not the only AI trade. I shared this within the community where I outlined several different companies that are all benefiting from all of the needs that AI creates. And so if you're not in the community, you could just take a screenshot of this. But the problem is here we have nearly 20 plus different companies. And so if you didn't want to trade all 20 plus, then how do you know which ones to select? And of course, you could go and analyze every single stock, but why not use AI to analyze the technicals of a company to narrow it down for you? And an easy way to do this is to leverage MooMoo's AI agents and pair that with gamma exposure, which I will show you here in just a moment. And to be honest, I'm genuinely surprised by MooMoo's recent evolution. They just released the MooMoo API skills, which allows you to connect with any AI agent, and it gives your AI access to the most real-time and professional financial data, something that AI large language models cannot achieve all on their own. So you can then control MooMoo using natural language, whether you want to get the latest market quotes or place a trade order. And so I definitely understand why it's ranked #1 on TradingView and why it's an official partner of the NASDAQ. It has become an indispensable platform for many options trading because it's so versatile, offers a one-stop shop for tons of real-time options data and features. And the best part, it is completely free. And so here I am in Claude, and let's just tell it to check our accounts and positions. All right, so here we have that. Let me go ahead and hit enter. All right, now after a few moments, you can see it pulled up my account and then my positions and different things about my account. Now I'm obviously going to blur out my personal info here and also the trades that I have open because that's only for the community. But you can see here that you can fully have your account connected to an AI platform. And so here's really where the fun can begin. And so from here, I'm going to tell it to find me the best trades, best setups for this week based on the technicals of each stock. And so I'll type it in here. All right, so I wrote from the AI trade basket, semis, hyperscalers, infra, AI software, power cooling, and networking, which names are showing the strongest setup this week? Pull recent price action, IV earnings calendar, and any unusual options activity, and then rank them. All right, so let's go ahead and hit enter. All right, now after a few minutes, it compiles this all into something that you can easily read, and we can see we have them ranked. It looks like they chose from 14 different AI stocks and ranked them from 1 to 14 based on the parameters that we put in, which had to do with the technicals, the options flow. And so it looks like 1 through 14, we have Meta, Microsoft, Supermicro, Palantir, NVDA, Taiwan Semiconductors, AMD, Marvel, ANET, Dell, Vertiv, Broadcom, Google, and CEG. And if we scroll down a little more, it gives a little bit more of a description of the top 3. And so for Meta, it says the best risk to reward today. And then it says Microsoft defying gravity. And this one was actually up 3.1% today on a day where the entire market was down. And we can see that as far as the options flow, it shows that there were sellers at the 425, 450 puts dated for May 22nd. And so those put sellers believe that the stock price will rise. And it also put this note here that there were several $1 million plus premium sales of puts at 425. And so this is obviously a bullish look. And then it says SMCI is the best buy the dip on flow alone. It says for options, there were 2 standout trades, 36,886 contract calls purchased at the $35 strike for July 17th. All right, and that was $16.8 million in premium that somebody purchased. And the stock price is currently 31, so they believe that it will go up from here. All right, then it kind of discusses some of these stocks that are not as best of setups based on the conditions that we put in ourselves. And for Broadcom, it says every oscillator pinned overbought. For Google, it says that there was somebody buying $17 million of puts. For CEG, it says that the 10-day moving average cut below the 20-day moving average and 60-day moving average just today. All right, and so that is a somewhat of a bearish sign. And then it states that NVIDIA, Dell, SMCI all have earnings coming up. And so that is something to keep in mind. And so with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the top 2 that it named, which were Meta and Microsoft. All right, so here we are looking at Meta, which the AI said was the #1 setup. And looking at the chart, I believe that the data looks really good. Now, first off, if I go ahead and draw this trend line, we can see that there is clear support right here at $600, okay? If I go ahead and put that there, and if I drag this over, we can see that it has bounced off of that $600 level before, and it has been doing this for like the last few weeks. And if for some reason that $600 level were to fail, then we can see that there is another level of support right here around this 560, 550 area that it could bounce off of as well. Now, MooMoo has a ton of amazing features to it, a lot of features that most other brokerages do not have. And so I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools that they just recently added, but something I want to quickly show you is the trend projection tool. Now, this trend projection tool basically looks at what the current chart is doing, and it searches the entire market for the closest resemblance of other charts and looks at what they did moving forward. And so clicking this, we can see it's paired the chart up with Trilogy Metals, which is a company that I'm not too familiar with. However, if you look at the chart of Meta, you can see it's pretty similar to what Trilogy Metals did right here. And so this square box right here shows you what Trilogy Metals did moving forward after that. And so if we go ahead and click this button, we can see that it is projecting that Meta will move slightly higher. All right, obviously this is not an end all be all, but it is a pretty cool feature to check out. Now, if you're familiar with the channel, you know that I love looking at the stochastic. And so this is the stochastic down here. And the stochastic is just a momentum oscillator. And so if the stock is having bullish momentum, then the stochastic will be pointing upwards. And if it's having bearish momentum, then the stochastic will be pointing downwards. Now, this stochastic is moving upwards, but this is on the daily chart. Now, if I'm entering into a leaps position, I want for the stochastic to be pointing upwards. And so if we go ahead and switch over to weekly here, well, we can see that the stochastic is pointing downwards on the weekly chart. And so if I were wanting to enter into leaps on Meta, which I really do because I absolutely love Meta, one of my requirements will be that the stochastic is now pointing in an upwards direction. And so I won't be entering into leaps yet, but this is a perfect opportunity with it being so close to levels of support to go ahead and either sell puts or put credit spreads. And because Meta is such a large stock, we will likely be using put credit spreads to save on some of that buying power, which is really great for people with smaller accounts as well. Now, we've already outlined some levels of support when it comes to the chart, but what I really love to use is what's called gamma exposure. And so if we come over here to the options chain, I can click on analysis, which is already at, and they have recently added gamma exposure to their set of tools. Now, if I go ahead and enlarge this, if you're not familiar with gamma exposure, what it is great for is showing you where there are levels of support and resistance. Okay, gamma exposure is just a tool that shows you where market makers may need to hedge the bets that they place. And so quite simply, it can show you where market makers may need to buy shares, or it can show you where market makers may need to sell shares. And so that is the gist of it. I essentially use it as just a level of support and resistance. And so if you want to get into all the nitty gritty as far as gamma exposure, you can go ahead and click this little I button. And MooMoo conveniently tells you all about gamma exposure with pictures and everything. But to sum it up for you, it shows you where market makers may need to buy shares, and it shows you where market makers may need to sell shares. And so what I like to do, especially if I am going to place like a swing trade, or typically I'll usually be within 45 days, is I'll come over here and I'll select the next 3 monthly expirations. And so let me uncheck May 18th, and I will add in June 18th, July 17th, and August 21st, which are the next 3 monthly expirations as of today. Now, if we take a look here, we can see where the put wall is right at 600, which we have already shown from the chart that is a huge level of support. And so this is a huge reason why. Market makers have a ton of puts there, so they will need to buy as the stock price gets near to that level. All right, and then if we come over and we look at the call wall, we can see it's at 720. And so again, if Meta were to rise and get closer to that 720, then market makers may need to sell to hedge their positions. And so Meta may have extreme struggles for a near-term period getting over 720 once it gets near that area. All right, and I want you to notice that the next level down would be this $700 strike. All right, and so anytime you get those nice round numbers, especially multiples of 10, multiples of 50, multiples of 100, there are always going to be psychological levels of support or resistance. Okay, and so that's why we have some support at 600, and we may have some resistance at 700, followed by even bigger resistance at 720. All right, but long story short, use gamma exposure as a level of support or resistance. So I look at this, I know that it has support at 600, and I know that it has resistance around 700 to 720. Now, additionally, MooMoo has a ton of other features as well. You can get a volatility analysis. You can see volume by strike, open interest by strike, volatility term structure, volatility smile, and then probability analysis. They have a ton of features that you can choose from. And then you can come over here and look at any unusual activity. And here is the options flow that we were discussing. And so looking at Meta, you can see the actual large trades that were placed, and we're looking at the trades that happened today or yesterday. They all seem to be pretty bullish. All right, now a lot of these were clearly 0 DTEs, but however, if we come down a little bit, we can see just yesterday, somebody purchased calls that expire on June 18th at a $720 strike, and they bought 1,100 contracts at a price of $355 and paid about $396,000 for doing so. And so it's things like this that add to our bullish sentiment. And so with all of this information, let's go ahead over to the options chain. And again, we said that we would enter into some put credit spreads because we are waiting for that stochastic to move upwards again to enter into our leaps. And so for that, I'll go anywhere up to 45 days out. So let's just go to the next monthly expiration, which is June 18th, which is also the date that that options buyer purchased a ton of contracts. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now, next, I may look at the expected move, which we can see is plus or minus 45 bucks. And so if I subtract the 45 from 614, that'll get us around 560. Now, that is great because we already know there is a huge level of support at $600. And so going all the way down to 560 not only gets us under those levels of support, but also gives us a pretty nice margin of error. Now, maybe you want to be a little bit more aggressive since it's already at a level of support. And so let's go to, let's say 565. All right, so I'll go ahead and select 565. And then if we want to turn it into a credit spread, we just need to buy to open any put under 565. And let's say we want to turn this into a $15 wide credit spread. So I will buy to open the 550. And now that we've added that to our trade ticket, we can see that we'll make about $228 per contract while only needing $1,272 worth of buying power. And that works out to about a 17 to 18% return on our invested capital in just a span of 34 days or less. And so that is a really good trade. But if we look at the P&L curve, again, we are just needing it to stay above the strike that we selected. However, as we know, there is a good level of support right here in this area, right? And so all we need is for it to stay in this green area. And if it does, we make our money and we go about our day. But that is a very high probability trade with a pretty high return on your invested capital. But the beautiful thing about using AI is that we can actually do it all from within this platform instead of manually doing it like I just showed you. And so I can tell the AI, hey, find the best $15 wide put credit spread for Meta about 30 days out. And let's see what it finds. All right, so I typed out, find the best $15 wide put credit spread for Meta on the next monthly expiration. The delta must be below 0.20. And then if we look here, it went and did exactly that. And guess what? The very first trade is 565 and 550. All right, and you can see literally it's showing the exact same credits that we were showing within the platform because this is attached to your actual account. And then so obviously it gives you a ton of different options for you to choose from with all the deltas, all the credits, your probability of profits, the buffer, the break even. It gives you all of that information. All right. And so it's pretty amazing. Now down here, it gives you the exact pick that it selected out of all of these. And it went with the 550 to 535. And so it's selected an even more conservative strike. So that's great. But obviously you'll get a little bit less money than the one that we selected manually, but you can take that information and do what you will with it. Now, again, the beautiful thing about this is again, literally attached to your account. And so I can actually talk to this and have it place trades for me. And so if I wanted to, I could take its pick of the 550 to 535, and I could tell it to go ahead and place the trade, and it would actually do it within my actual account. All right, now I'm recording this after hours, and so obviously I wouldn't be able to actually place the trade, but this shows you the amazing power of using MooMoo's integrated API skills within Claude Code. It's pretty impressive. But that is a great way to use AI to look for the best AI trades. Now, if you are interested in using this exact same strategy that I just showed you, go ahead and sign up for MooMoo. The link is below in the description. And for a short period of time, they've even sweetened the deal by giving you up to $1,000 of free NVDA shares when you sign up and deposit money into your account. All right. And if that was not good enough, then also they have $0 commission fees, $0 options contract fees, and real-time data as you just seen. So go ahead and check it out. The link is below in the description. And let me know down in the comments, is this something that you see yourself using in the near future to level up your trading? But either way, whether you're doing it via AI or doing it manually within the account, I think that MooMoo genuinely has you covered. All right. But that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.